Bienvenue, my beautiful bubbles. Today I'm going to be trying out the trend that I follow so-and-so's makeup tutorial. Now I absolutely love watching these. I don't know what it is, like it forces you to do other different makeup techniques that other people do in their videos. And it also shows that makeup gurus there's a little bit of magic happening there. Like a lot of things that we kind of leave out, and as a YouTuber I kind of understand when I'm editing a makeup tutorial why I left it out, like constantly doing the foundation the same way and removing it. But when you follow a tutorial, it kind of leaves these blanks in between, and you see this reoccurring thing where like I don't have this product, and it forces you to really be creative. That's what I love about it. So I do have to give credit where it's due. Following makeup tutorial concept was kind of been around since 2016. I'm gonna give credit to Yinzi Jin. She actually made a tutorial called Trying Out the Contour Following Makeup Tutorial. And it looks a little like this.
And I'm going in and contouring. So
and that was the first one that I could find with those keywords in it. Now, Thomas Halbert really marketed following a certain makeup tutorial. He kind of structured it in a way that's kind of accessible to everybody. But I also have to give credit to Tana Alys-Marie. She actually created a tutorial called I tried Tana Mongeau's makeup. Can't talk today. And using the exact products as well, which is different. I think not a lot of people have the exact products. Like Manny MUA was really close on his new one that he just posted as well. And then Brianne.
I feel like I'm doing the boyfriend does my makeup challenge, but like I'm the girl.
She's not really a makeup guru. Brianne, I'll leave all the names of all these YouTubers, I'm leaving credit down below. She posted one what following a makeup tutorial looks like. So if we go to Thomas Halbert's, it says I tried following so-and-so's makeup tutorial. So we really coined not the concept, but the name of the tutorial, which made it accessible to everybody. And it also gives credit to the other person in the tutorial and also leaves that creativity open, you know. That's what I really loved about it. And I thought it'd be really fun to shoot. So today, for the face, I'm going to actually use Jeffree Star's face routine from his Drugstore Makeup tutorial. So I'm going to do things a little bit differently. I don't really have any video editing software to kind of put like a video on the bottom of the screen. So I'm actually just going to hold up my cell phone and you can watch the video with me. I feel like that's a definite important aspect in these I tried so-and-so's makeup tutorial kind of theme. That's what I really loved about it too, because it's like a reacting video and makeup tutorial in one, and also trying something new. So there's a challenge element. So there's 3 different elements that I absolutely fell in love with. So let's just start this off. All right. So this one's by Jeffree Star, and this one's called the Drugstore Makeup Tutorial. Simply just that.
To my channel. Now, when
I'm watching on this side.
I wanted to see next, I got an overwhelming amount of response to do a full drugstore makeup tutorial.
She's bougie though. She goes through those high-end, you know what I'm saying? So
you can make anything work. Not that drugstore makeup is bad. It's just has a lot of tendencies to be more misses than hits from my previous
believe me, I know.
And now that
you just don't know what to try, so I just look at reviews of the product. On my phone as I'm shopping. Good tip. It does work. Most of the time.
Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is take this Lip Smackers Dr. Pepper flavor.
What did I use? So I'm just prepping my lips with the Dollar Tree. I'm just prepping my lips with Lip Sol. I've been using this for years and I just absolutely love it. And if your elbows are a little dry from the winter, you can use it on that.
Looking through all the aisles, and I like e.l.f. I've used some of their stuff before. I have never used this hydrating face primer before, so
I didn't hear good things about it. Okay, I've already prepped my skin just to save a little bit of time. So I mixed together Masterfix. I always used to think of Master Effects anyway. And then the NYX Matte Setting Spray. Yeah, I was running out, so I kind of mixed them both together. So, because I feel like this just does nothing. I don't know. The matte one at least gives you a matte finish, and I can feel it hold my makeup a little bit better. So
I need you guys to pause this video and say a silent prayer for my face. Now, you guys know the first thing I always do is put on Instagram that I was going to be doing this video, and you guys gave me so many options. And I found the one that kept saying was Loreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. Everyone is like, this is amazing. Everyone's raving about it. So
I did want to try it back then too.
102 Shell Beige.
Like, I remember when I first watched this video. Wow.
I'm just going to take this with a Real Techniques brush. This is number 3.
Now, I don't have a foundation brush, so I'm just going to go on with my regular routine. I got this at Dollarama for $1. I think it was around $3, but I absolutely love it. I've never really felt a sponge kind of like expand on me. Anyway, I should have splurged and got a powder brush, but I didn't. But anyway.
Dot it all around my face before I blend it out.
Oh, I'm gonna dot it on my face. I'm really scared because I don't do foundation first. Like, this is not what I do. So dot all over. This feels so weird to me. I'm usually like, like, why not just like, oh, and I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in Classic Ivory, by the way, so.
I think that's good enough coverage for me. We'll see what happens. Before I do a lot of powder, I'm definitely going to conceal. Now, if you've watched my previous videos, you guys know I'm really not a fan of concealer. But this, I got this Maybelline Better Skin Camouflage Concealer. Let's try this out.
And I'm using the Instant Age Rewind in Lights. Okay, so we went in like a half moon shape, so I'm gonna do the same. I usually just go all the way, you know me, if you've seen my makeup tutorials, and if you're new, I usually go in that triangle, so I'm gonna keep it in that half moon type of shape. Just so it feels so weird not to bring it down. Okay, nothing on the nose. We're not doing the nose today. And right here. Feels so weird. And right in the middle. Like that. Let's move on.
Start blending. Now this sponge is...
Great thing about this concealer, you don't have to let it sit. It actually sets pretty fast. Almost feel like I'm looking like him. Like, I don't know. Okay.
Like, it's actually taking off.
That's like the Dollar Tree sponge.
My foundation. So...
No.
Sometimes I do cream contour, sometimes I don't.
Please don't. No.
Now I want a full mask of coverage.
I can't even do that anyway.
I got the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Powder Foundation, and I'm gonna dust this over my entire face.
Okay, time for powder, I guess. And I'm using the Marcel powder in translucent. It's Canadian exclusive, but you can get it online. So I'm just gonna dab it in, make sure there's not really too much excess. That's about how much. But I'm gonna put a little bit more under the eyes. And just dab it in. Again, like, I say this every video.
Now, there really wasn't a lot of highlight and contour kits at the drugstore. I did find this really dope one from Maybelline. It's called the Master Contour Palette. There's 3 shades. It's contour, blush, and highlight. I think that contour color is perfect for my skin tone, so we're going to try that today. And I also found this big bronzing powder. It's from Prestige Cosmetics. So I am going to contour first. I'm going to be using this Smith Cosmetics brush, my favorite brush.
Contour first? Okay, that's just really weird to me. But
carve our face out of stone.
And just like he did, we're gonna carve our face out of stone.
On the forehead, I'm gonna be going in with this Estee Lauder bronzing brush, and we're gonna dip into that Prestige Cosmetics. Let's see how this is going to do.
I'm gonna take the Physicians Formula Bronze Booster. I'm gonna take my kabuki brush, just dip it in there, and do my forehead like I normally do.
Okay, so my dumbass didn't realize that that gold thing up there is Alright, now contouring the nose is a little scary, so I'm going to be using the Oval 3 brush from Artis. Now I dipped in this once. You don't need a ton of product unless you want that.
Okay, so it looks like he's contouring his nose. I really don't do that anymore. Oh, I just probably take this little Dollar Tree brush, but you can crush it. So it creates a really fine line. I'm going to contour my nose. So I want to go from the inner corner here all the way down. And I just pat it. Actually, that doesn't look that bad today. Let's progress.
And I'm going to cap the end of it.
Oh.
Now for highlight.
Why are we bronzing the cheeks? Jeffree, what's going on here? Let's move on.
I'm just going to grab a Morphe 310 fan brush. I love this thing.
Don't have that.
On there, and let's see if I'm going to be glowing.
So I normally highlight with my Magnifies Color Edition palette, pretty much the only good palette I have. I'm going to take probably just the white shade and highlight my cheeks.
The more I'm layering, the more shine I'm seeing on my cheekbones. Alright, for brows today, I tried to find something comparable to the Anastasia shade Taupe. And also L'Oreal has a brow stylist, which had a brow powder.
Actually, I want to try that.
It's hard to find at the drugstore, so I'm going to be using this guy. Obviously, I don't need this wax because I have no brow hairs, so we're just going to dip into this powder and try to draw on with this.
Oh, he doesn't have brows. So I'm just going to go on with my regular brow routine. I'm just going to comb out all the powder. And I'm using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Espresso. And it just ran out on me. Oh. Okay, well, I'm going to use this tiny little stub that's left. Oh my gosh, really?
Alright, I decided on a taupey gold glitter soft neutral eye, and I am going to be using the L'Oreal LA Palette Nude one.
Oh, Jeffree, girl, you have no preparation on the eyes and you're just going right into powder? I'm wondering if I should do that too. No. I'm prepping my eyes. I'm using the e.l.f. eyelid primer. I used it in one of my tutorials. I was very scared to use it, but it is an amazing stuff. So I'm just gonna put that all over the lid. Blend it out. Then we're going right back into the eyes with Manny MUA's Coachella inspired Halo Eye.